Welcome back to my channel. It's been forever. Today we're not going sturgeon fishing, we're not going catfishing, we are going bait fishing. Recently my truck was in the shop for like 3 days, and of course those 3 days were the ones where I had the opportunity to fish. You're invited to fish, you are obligated to bring bait. I could not bring bait, I did not have my truck. All I had was the old Harley. I just needed to use a little bit of brain juice, and we're gonna rig up the bike to go bait fish. This might be a terrible idea, or it might be dope. We'll see. First things first, let's give the bike a little love. 2019 Fat Bob. This is the cooler that we are going to affix to the back of the bike. Hopefully. Now we're gonna bungee the heck out of this cooler. What if it flies off? Yeah. Okay, I used one bungee cord, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm pretty confident. Let me show you. This is literally all I did. Right here. I mean, oh, you got a little jiggle. Pretty sure my dog thinks I'm nuts.
Crazy.
Maybe one of these. Really strap this puppy in. Hopefully. Oh, sweet Martha. All right, that's not gonna work. New plan. Oh yeah. This feels very secure, I gotta say. All right, now what? This is gonna be so interesting. Ay, ay, ay. I'm also out of bungee cords, so I'm gonna use my thingy for all the ducks that I carry around in duck season. Actually, I'm pretty sure this was loaded with coots last, but irrelevant. Pretty confident that that'll get us from A to B. All right, we're going. No turning back. Pink bow is in. Yeah, safety first. Honestly, I'm more worried about coming back, but well, I'll get to see how that goes. Stay tuned. We made it to the pond. There's tons of people here, so but we made it to the pond. Pretty simple setup here. You can do it a lot of ways. Kind of gamakatsu circle. Like I said, I think it's a size 4. Can't quite remember. Then we have a split shot, like 4 inches above it. I'm using night crawlers. Really, you can set this up a ton of different ways as long as you get the bait on the bottom. We're close to it. Odds are, if there's bullheads, they'll munch. So let's find out. All right, this is rather discouraging, so we're just gonna send it here. Oh, shoot. Dang flabbit. That was a chongus. Wow. You guys. I have been trying. But he flew off. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? I cannot hook one up. Hey, let's see, ready? Damn. I'm a terrible fisherman. I even hooked my own sleeve. This is a Zebco, by the way. Yeah, they are biting now, y'all. Should I catch this one? Should I do it? Yeah! Please stay on the hook. Gentle, gentle. Oh, we got one. You guys, I've been waiting so long. It took a while, you guys, but your girl is victorious. That one bite's picking up. Yes, look at that beautiful hookup. You see that? Ha! Check them out. Cute and small. Perfect little munchy snack for a flathead. Wow. Is it happening? Look at this little walleye niblet. This is a walleye fun size, fun pack snack. What am I talking about? Good Lord. All right, I just needed to wait a little bit because we're sending her home, taking her to church. Here we go. You guys, we have been blessed today. That's a deer in the water. Look. Wow. Oh, that's so awesome. I've never seen that. You guys, this has turned into a great little trip ski out. Wow. Wow, look, he's so yellow. Look how yellow he is. That is a yellow bullhead. There's a lot of noises out here. I don't know what that was, but it was like flying over the top of my head. Big flopper. Oh yeah. Look at him. Oh yeah. Check him out. Maybe I'll catch one more. Where your mom's at? Bullheads are like the one fish that just makes me cringe to hold. I'll hold any fish. I'm a nurse. I've seen some nasty things in my life, but bullheads just are really gross to me. Open your GD mouth. Thank you. He's got bumps. You see? I don't want to touch his bumps. He's cute. Alright. Okay, one more. Zebco. No shame. You better not. There's a little something on here. Oh! Oh, you guys! Look! It's a little nugget. Just a little niblet. A little nublet. Alright. Oh. I hate that. I'm gonna get pink eye. I'm gonna get me some antibiotics. He's so small. He's just a little guy. Look at his little whiskers. They're so small. Can you see them? Okay, one more. One more. That's it. Jesus Murphy. No. He swallowed that. Dang it! I forgot my pliers, you guys. That's why that sucks. Okay. Got it. Dang, a whole ass cop just drove by and didn't even ask what I was doing. Ha ha ha. Ho ho ho. What time is it? Dang. If I was a cop, I'd be checking up too. Dang, I feel like a bad bunny. I don't think this park closes though. Dude, that was scary. I never get in trouble. You better not. Whatever you are. Stuff keeps splashing around me. Stuff splashing, quacking, swimming, thrashing, creeping. Look at that. You guys want to see him? Because I'll show him. Because he is kind of cute. Never mind. Never mind. Alright, so a lot has happened since my GoPro has died. We got about 7 bullheads in there. It's like 11 o'clock. Wasn't anticipating staying out this late, but here we are. Gonna walk these up the hill, strap them in, and head on home. This is the part I'm nervous for. Let's go. Let me show you the load. They're a little shaken up, but putting a lot of work for those puppies. Just got them strapped up, loaded up. Let's see how this goes. It's probably not good for that, huh? Gotta do what you gotta do. Alright. We're set up, stuff strapped in. This was an adventure. I was out a little later than anticipated, but pray to God that this thing does not fall off. That would be terrible. But here's to a safe ride. See you at home. Made it home. She was a cold one. And you know, I was thinking, how many bullheads can say they've ridden on a Harley? The moment of truth. Prepare yourself, this water's gonna be nasty. Y'all good? Hey, they're all good. Little badass biker bullheads. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Happy little ham. Alright, y'all. Bullies are happy. I'm happy. We made it. A little cold, ready for a snack and a juice box, but if you like this video, subscribe. I have lots of more weird ideas that I'm going to manifest. And also stay tuned for what's gonna eat these babies, because I'm sensing a big old flatty in the future, but we'll see. Anyways, have a good night. Thanks for watching, and tight lines.